Today is the day that I finally decided to give away my entire bundle, and it's really simple for you to enter to win this entire bundle of garyvee products. All you have to do is click subscribe to my channel and leave a comment on this or any of my videos between now and my 15,000 subscriber video. So basically I was going to flip these myself on eBay for a profit, but I decided to give them away to one of my subscribers. So for you to enter the draw, all you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and leave at least one comment on one of my videos between now and my 15,000 subscriber. So you can basically comment on this video and subscribe to my channel and you will be entered in the draw. But if you want more chances to win this entire bundle, then simply comment on my future videos. So every video between now and whenever I reach 15,000 subscribers, hopefully it's soon, but whenever it is, I'm going to give away this bundle. And if you leave a comment on each of my videos between now and then, you will have more chances to win this bundle, because I'm going to pull every comment that I receive between now and 15,000 subscribers and enter them in a draw. But if I pick out a comment from someone who hasn't subscribed to my channel, then they cannot win this bundle. So it's a simple way for me to give something back to my subscribers. And you can just keep this entire bundle for yourself, use the sneakers, read the book, or you can flip them back on eBay, and that is what I would definitely do, because you can make a simple £500 profit if you put these on eBay today. Or if you take garyvee's advice and you're patient, then you can make a lot more money, because these will be worth a lot more in 6 to 12 months time when they become unavailable to purchase new anymore. That will put the price of them up on eBay, so you can make a lot more money that way. And it doesn't matter where in the world you are, you can enter in and win this bundle. The reason why I decided to give away these is so that someone can flip them and make enough money to start their own brand of products. Because this is how I started out. I started back in 2013 my own private label brand, and now I'm able to sell my brand on Amazon.com in the US, Amazon.co.uk in the UK, and all of the Amazon EU platforms. And this is my own brand of product, so it's simply like K-Swiss, and hopefully someday, like K-Swiss, I will be able to afford to have an influencer like garyvee promote my products. The difference between my YouTube channel and others is that I don't try and come across as an expert. I simply just explain what I know and what I learn from doing this day to day to you, so that it can help you out and I can build a relationship with you. And I saved the money to start my first brand by flipping everyday products like these ones on Gumtree in the UK, on eBay and on Amazon. And that is what made me decide to give away my entire bundle, so that someone can do the same thing and make the money that they need to start either flipping products online if you haven't flipped products online before, or give you the extra money that you need to start your own brand of product. So I want to keep this video short and to the point, and all you have to do to enter in the draw is click subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and leave a comment on any of my videos between now and 15,000 subscribers. The more times you leave a comment on separate videos, again, you can't just go and comment 10 comments on the one video, because it'll only be one comment that'll count per video. But if you want to leave a comment on each of my videos between now and 15,000 subscribers, then you will have more chances to win. So I'm going to wish you good luck in the draw, and as always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, because I'm happy to answer your questions and help you out if possible. So good luck and speak soon. Bye.